Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find a perfect domain name for your website using ChatGPT. So let's get started. So if you are planning to build a website, you need a domain name. If you have already decided a domain name, then that's perfect. But if you are looking out for the domain name ideas, their availability and pricing, then this video is perfect for you. In the first step, we are going to generate domain name ideas using ChatGPT. And in the step 2, we are going to validate those domain names for their availability and pricing. So first, open any web browser and look for ChatGPT. Click on first link, chat.openai.com. Log in with your account details, and if you don't have ChatGPT account, then you can simply create one for free using your Google account. Now in the ChatGPT, we are going to give one prompt that will generate domain name ideas for us. So I have already created a prompt. So the prompt is, I want to create a website in tech tips niche. Suggest 50 domain names with .com extension, and domain name should not contain more than 2 words. So instead of tech tips niche, just enter your niche. It can be make money, fitness or cooking. So instead of 50, you can just enter 100 or 500. It's up to you. You will also find this prompt in the description of this video. Once you enter the prompt, simply hit enter button. And within seconds, ChatGPT will generate domain name ideas for us. So now ChatGPT has generated 50 domain name ideas for us. So this is the first step. Now in the second step, we are going to validate these domain name ideas for their availability and pricing. So it should not be the case like the domain name is available, but the price is very high. So we need to check first before come to the decision. So first, copy all these domain name ideas and now go to namecheap.com. On the Namecheap homepage, you will find this beast mode. Just click on it. And in this beast mode, we can enter up to 5000 domain names and it will give us the details like its availability and pricing. So I'm going to paste the domain names that we just copied from ChatGPT. Now in the price range, I'm going to enter 1000, which is equal to $12. Depending on your budget, you can enter the value. Now in the TLD section, I will enter com and then I will select from the option. So now it will only show the domains having the extension as .com. Once we do the settings, just click on generate button. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to find out the details. And now as you can see, it has now find out the details like whether it is available and its price. So guruglitch.com is available with the price as $8.53, which is equal to $9. Also gurugears.com, techjolts.com. So these are some of the domains which are available and you can use this domain depending on your requirement, and then you can use this domain and you can register it from domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. So that is how you can find perfect domain names for your website using ChatGPT. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.